Hello, here we have yet another video of flow control category, and in this video lecture we will learn about the sliding window protocol. In our last video lecture we have seen and we have discussed the basic phenomena and working of stop and wait protocol. The sliding window protocols are data link layer protocols for reliable and sequential delivery of data frames. The sliding window is also used in transmission control protocol. In this protocol, multiple frames can be sent by the sender at a time before receiving an acknowledgement from the frame. The term sliding window refers to the imaginary boxes to hold frames. The sliding window method is also known as windowing. Next one is the working principle of the sliding window protocol. In these protocols, the sender has a buffer called the sending window and the receiver has a buffer called the receiving window. The size of the sending window determines the sequence number of the outbound frames. If the sequence number of the frame is n-bit field, then the range of the sequence numbers that can be assigned is 0 to 2 to the power of n minus 1. Thus, in order to accommodate a sending window size 2 to the power of n minus 1, an n-bit sequence number is chosen. The size of the receiving window is the maximum number of frames that the receiver can accept at a time. It determines the maximum number of frames that the sender can send before receiving acknowledgement. Sorry. Here we have one diagram that shows the basic example and working as well of the sliding window protocol. Suppose that we have sender window and receiver window, each of the size 4. So the sequence numbering of both the windows will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2 and so on. The following diagram shows the position of the windows after sending the frames and the receiving acknowledgements. From the diagram, about all frame informations is very clear. Now we have the type of the sliding window protocols. The sliding window ARQ automatic repeat request protocols are of two categories. Go back and ARQ. Go back and ARQ provides for sending multiple frames before receiving the acknowledgement for the first frame. It uses the concept of sliding window and so is also called sliding window protocol. The frames are sequentially numbered and a finite number of frames are sent. If the acknowledgement of a frame is not received within the time period, all the frames starting from the frame are retransmitted. The second one is the selective repeat ARQ. This protocol also provides for sending multiple frames before receiving the acknowledgement for the first frame. However, here only the lost frames are the retransmitted ones, while the good frames are received and buffered. In that manner, we have learned in this video lecture about the basics of the sliding window protocol, its working with an example, and also the categorization of the sliding window ARQ protocols. Thank you very much.